जी हाँ, स्वागतम स्वागतम स्वागतम. You all are most welcome in this Sanskrit learning course. We just learn basic of Sanskrit. We will not learn the grammar. हम आपको ये बता दें कि ग्रामर की हम कोई बात नहीं करेंगे, कुछ सेंटेंस सीखेंगे और बहुत ही सिंपल सेंटेंस, ताकि हम बिल्कुल अनअवेयर ना हो, कुछ मालूमात हो हमें संस्कृत के बारे में. तो चलिए मैं कुछ सेंटेंस बताता हूँ कैसे बोली जाती है. बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रामर के अंदर घुसना नहीं है, क्योंकि हमें भी उतना आता नहीं है और हमारा मकसद आपको ग्रामर पढ़ाना नहीं है, बल्कि हमारा मकसद ये है कि कुछ छोटी छोटी बातें हम बोल सकें. तो चलिए देखते हैं कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट बात. देखिए, राम पठति, राम रीड्स. पठति का मतलब पढ़ता है. पठति मीन्स रीड्स. राम ये सिंगुलर है, इसलिए आप दिखेगा कि सिंगुलर में राम लग जाता है. राम पठति, रमा रीड्स. कृष्णा वसति, कृष्ण ड्वेल, कृष्ण रहता है, ठहरता है, वहाँ बसता है. कृष्ण वसति, कृष्ण बसता है. राम पठति. बाला नमति, द बॉय सैल्यूट. बालक, बच्चे, लड़के नमस्कार करते हैं, नमति. बाला नमति. पुत्र वदति, द सन स्पीक. वदति मीन्स स्पीक, बोलना, स्पीक. पुत्र वदति, द सन स्पीक्स. वदति मीन्स बोलना, नमति मीन्स नमस्कार, एंड वसति मीन्स ड्वेल, बसना, और पठति मीन्स पढ़ना. राम पठति, कृष्ण वसति, बाल नमति, एंड पुत्र मीन्स सन. पुत्र वदति, बुद्ध गच्छति, बुद्ध गच्छति. स्कॉलर, बुद्ध मीन्स इंटेलेक्चुअल, स्कॉलर गोज, गच्छति. गच्छति मीन्स गोज, जाना, जाता है. निरप जयति, निरप जयति, जयति जय से विजय. मतलब निरपा का मतलब, निरपा मीन्स किंग, एंड किंग कॉन्कर्स. तो ये है, ये बेसिक है, इसको आप ज़रूर याद कर लीजिए. धीरे धीरे हम लोग समझेंगे और भी सेंटेंसेस. राम पठति, राम रीड्स. कृष्ण वसति, कृष्ण ड्वेल. बाल नमति, बॉय सैल्यूट्स. पुत्र वदति, द सन स्पीक्स. बुद्ध गच्छति, स्कॉलर गोज. निरप जयति. And this is sufficient for a single day. And I would like to tell you one thing, that you have to take out only 5 minutes every day. That would be sufficient for basic knowledge of Sanskrit. Thank you. All the best. Swagatam, Swagatam. Now we will see some sentences, basic sentences of Sanskrit. Rama Gajam, Ram sees the elephant. Rama मतलब राम, गजम पश्यति. गजम मने, गजम का अर्थ है हाथी, और पश्यति मीन्स देखना. राम गजम पश्यति, राम sees the elephant. अश्व वराहम स्मरति. अश्व वराहम स्मरति means the horses remembers the boar. Ashwa, Brahma, horses remember the boars. And next one is Gaja. गज, जैसे अवश्य अश्वा मीन्स घोड़ा, गज मीन्स हाथी, हरिनम हरति, द एलिफेंट टेक्स अवे द डियर। हरिना मतलब हरिण, हरति टेक्स अवे मतलब दूर ले जाना, एलिफेंट टेक्स अवे द डियर। वानरः फलम खड़ति, वानरः फलम, द मंकी ईट्स द फ्रूट, वानरः मंकी फलम फल खादति, द मंकी ईट्स द फ्रूट, वानरः फलम खादति। थोड़ा समझिए इसको, बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ संस्कृत। वानरः मंकी फलम फ्रूट खादति मतलब ईट्स, मंकी ईट्स द फ्रूट। बाला पाठम पठात, बाला पाठम पठाति, बॉय रीड्स द लेसन, बाला पाठम पठति, बाला पाठम पठति, पाठम मीन्स लेसन, बाला मीन्स बॉय, बालम बाला पाठम पठति, बॉय रीड्स द लेसन। सेवक अन्नम पचति, सेवक, सेवक मीन्स सर्वेंट, अन्नम मीन्स फूड, पचति मीन्स कुक, पचति मीन्स कुक खाना बनाना, द सर्वेंट कुक द फूड, सर्वेंट कुक्स द फूड। सेवक अन्नम पचति, सेवक अन्नम पचति, servant cooks the food, and gardhava bidalam bodhati, gardhava bidalam bodhati, donkey knows the cat, gardhava donkey, bidala cat, bodhati understanding, knows, donkey knows the cat, gardhava bidala, gardhava donkey, bidala means cat, bodhati to understand, to know. So that is sufficient, and in the next video we will learn some of the sentences in Sanskrit. Thank you, धन्यवाद, स्वागतम. Here we will learn some Sanskrit sentences. Just see the sentences. Rama Krishnan charati. Rama moves with Krishna. Rama, Ram, Krishna, Krishna. Charati means movement, going. Rama Krishna charati. Rama Krishnena charati means Rama Krishna के साथ जा रहा है, जाता है. Rama Krishna के साथ जाता है. Rama moves with Krishna. Gaja Ashvena Dhavati. Elephant runs with horse. Ashvena, Gaja, हाथी. अश्वेना घोड़े के साथ. धावती दौड़ता है. धावा चरती मीन्स मूवमेंट. धावती मीन्स रन. गजा अश्वेना धावती. वानरा ब्रिकेण तिष्ठति. वारण विरकेन तिष्ठति. The monkey stand with walls. Vanara monkey wall. Virken तिष्ठति means stand, खड़ा है. बाला वानरेण वानरेण बालवानरेण करीडति 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 means the boy plays with monkey. बाला वानरेण करीडति मतलब बालक बंदर के साथ खेलता है. The boy plays with monkey. हरिण सर्गेलान तिष्ठति. हरिण श्रीगलेन तिष्ठति. The deer stand with a jackal. Deer stand with tishtati means stand. Jackal srigalena harina the deer stand with jackal. Nirpah sevaken gacchati. Nirpa sevaken gacchati. The king goes with servant. Sevaken. Nirpa sevaken gacchati. Gacchati means goes. King goes with servant. Here is some words. You can see this. Desha, country. Kavata, door. Grama, village. Loka, Gavaksha, window. Geha, home. Loka, wall. Utaja, cottage. Dvipa, island. Ashrama, hermitage. Samudra, sea. Karira, to play. Bhava, to be. Pato, to fall. Char, to go, move. Javala, to shine. Tishtha, to stand. Ninda, to blame. And you can see more. You can see आप और भी देख सकते हैं इसमें. अज गोट. बिडाला कैट. गज एलिफेंट हाथी. वृक्क वॉल्फ. अश्व हॉर्स. गर्दभ डोंकी. वरा बोर. हरिण डियर. वानर मंकी. शिरगाला जकाल. वर्ब देखिए. धावा टू रन. हर टू टेक अवे दूर ले जाना. पश्य टू सी. पच टू कुक. स्मर टू रिमेंबर. त्यज टू अबेंडन. टू कैरी और वह टू कैरी. वह टू बियर. तो ये रहा. धन्यवाद. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम और देखेंगे. स्वागतम. Here we will learn about the basics of Sanskrit, consonant as well as vowels. We will see the consonant. This is called Varnmala in Sanskrit, and this is Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha. Anga, Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Ya. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. Ta, Tha, Da, Tha, Na. Pa, Pha, Ba, Bha, Ma. And Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sha, Sa, Sa, Ha, Aksha. And we will see the vowels. Vowel. A, I, E, and U, Ri, Ro, La, Li, A, O, This is vowel. And We don't need more and more grammar. We should understand the words, and we will speak short sentences. Now this is consonant, and identify the consonant. Here is written in English also: ka, kha, ga, gha, anga, cha, cha, ja, jha, ya, ta, tha, da, dha, na, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, ya, ra, la, va, sha, sa, sa, ha, la, aksha. And you can identify here correct letter. And now here is also some that is written in also in English. You can understood this: ka, kha, ga, gha, anga, no. Ka, kha, ga, gha, no. Ka, ka, kha, ga, gha. Ki, khi, gi, ghi, ni. Ki, khi, gi, ghi, ni. And here is vowels: a, a, I, u, re, read. And R for Ram, Ra. You can understood this. And this is cha, cha, ja, jha, na. Chi, chi, ji, ji, ni. Chi, chi, ji, ji, ni. Chu, chu, ju, ju, nu. Chu, chu, ju, ju, nu. Chiri, chi, jiri, jiri. Che, che, je, je, che, che, je, je. Jo, cho, jo, 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 cho, jo, jo. You can see this and you can write, but it is not more necessary for speaking Sanskrit. And we just have a look about the words, how words make. Ka plus ka, ka plus ka, ka, akka means mother. Ka plus ta, kata, bhakta matlab devotee. Ka plus ma, kama, rukman means God, gold. Ka plus ya, kya, vakya, sentence. You can understood this. You can just have a look, and you pause this and you may write this. You can practice this. These are the sentence, how sentence form. You just look this: Rama, 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 Raman, Rama, Ramana. This is the second part, noun and verb. Singular, dual and plural. You should know that in Sanskrit there are singular and dual as well as plural. And you have a look and write this. Rama Niripati, Niripata. Rama Niripata, Rama Niripata. Krishna Sevaka, Krishna Sevaka. Krishna is servant. Rama is king. Bala Duta, Bala Duta, boy is messenger. Putra Pantha, Putra Pantha, traveler. Son, traveler. This some roads, path to read. Gacha, Gacha. Nama to salute. Jai to conquer, to lead. And these are the We have just look this Rama patati, Ram reads, Krishna vasati, Krishna dwell, Bala namati, the boy salute, Putra vadati, that is Putra, son speaks, Buddha gachati, a scholar goes, Narpa jayati, king conquer. And it is efficient, and next time, in next video, you will speak. We don't have more with grammar. We are not using more and more. We are not looking about the grammar. We just speak. And dhanyavad. Swagatam. Now we will look some nouns and sentences. See the Desha means country, Koata means door, Grama village, Goacha window, Geh house, Loka world, Utja cottage, Deepa island, Ashrama hermitage, Samudra sea, and Bhava to be, Pato to fall, Kret to play, Yach to give, Char to go, Jewel to shine, and Tishtha to stand, Ninda to blame. Now the sentence, look the sentence. And Rama Krishnan charati. Ram moves with Krishna. Gaja Ashwin dhavati. Elephant runs with horse. Gaja elephant, Ashwin horse, dhavati. Vanara Vriken Tishtati. Monkey stand with wall. Monkey stand with walls. Bala Vanaren Karirati. The boy plays with monkey. Bala boy, Vanaren monkey, Karirati plays. Harina Srgalen Tirishtiti. The deer stand with a jackal. Nirpa Sevaken Gachati. King goes with servant. Now the next one is Kakka crow, Kaua, Mayura peacock, Shuka parrot, Baka stork, Cuckoo cock, Madhupa bee, Hansh swan, Kokila cuckoo, Kapota dove, Garura the king of bird, and verb. Raksha to protect, Vad to speak, Ro to grow, Arch to worship, Has to laugh, Garj to roar, Jap to mutter, Arge to sing. Now the sentences, look the sentences and speak. Practice. Nirpa Sevakaya Phala Yachati. This king gives fruit to the servant. Nirpa Sevakaya, this king. Sevakaya Phala Yachati. Gives. Yachati means deta hai. Phala. Nirpa Sevakaya, king gives fruit to the servant. Nirpa Sevakaya Phalam Yachati. Nirpa Sarvakaya Phalam Yachati. Sarvakaya means servant. Phalam means fruit. Yachati deta hai. Bala Annaya Gramam Gachati. The boy goes to the village for food. Bala Annaya Gramam Gachati goes, जाता है गांव को भोजन के लिए. Vanara phalai ashrama gacchati. The monkey goes to hermitage for fruit. Vanara phalai ashrama gacchati. Gacchati means goes, जाता है. Rama panthai phala yachati. Ram gives the fruit to the traveler. Ram gives fruit to the gives. Yachati means gives. Panthai traveler. Buddha asanat uttishtati. A scholar rises up from the seat. Rises up. Uttishtati. Asanat. Buddha asanat. Rises up for the seat. Uttishtati. From the seat. Phalam vrikshat patati. Fruit falls from the tree. Vrikshat tree. Phalam fruit. Phalam vrikshat patati. Fruit falls from the tree. Rama gramat gacchati. Rama goes from the village. Rama gramat gacchati. Nirpa gajat patati. King falls from the elephant. Patati means fall, गिर जाना. राजा हाथी से गिरता है. King nirpa gajat patati. तो ये रहा और धन्यवाद. Swagatam. Here we will learn some of the sentences. Now we look this. Ramasya putra gram gacchati. Ram's son goes to the village. Ramasya putra gram gacchati. राम के पुत्र गांव जाते हैं. रामस्य पुत्र ग्राम गच्छति. कृष्ण सेवका अश्वम पश्यति. कृष्ण सर्वेंट सीज द हॉर्स. कृष्ण सेवका अश्वम पश्यति. पश्यति मीन्स देखता है घोड़े को. कृष्ण का जो सर्वेंट है, नौकर है, सेवक है, वो घोड़े को देखता है. कृष्णस्य सेवक अश्वम पश्यति. निरपस्य दूतः गजम नयति. निरपस्य दूता द किंग्स मैसेंजर लीड द एलिफेंट. निरपस्य दूता राजा का जो दूत है वो क्या कह रहे कि मैसेंजर को लीड करता है. एंड वानरा अश्वस्य कर्णम रक्षति. वानरा अश्वस्य कर्णम रक्षति. द मंकी प्रोटेक्ट द ईयर ऑफ द हॉर्स. कर्ण ईयर कान. मंकी protects the ear of the horse. Rakshati protect. Ashwas means horse. Vanara ashwas karnam rakshati. Gaja samudre charati. The elephant moves in the sea. Elephants moves in the sea. हाथी समुद्र की तरफ जाता है. गज समुद्रे चरति. नगरे निरपः वसति. किंग ड्वेल इन द टाउन. नगरे निरपः वसति. राजा नगर में रहता है. नगरे निरपः वसति. ग्रामे राम कृष्ण अर्चति. ग्रामे रामा वर्शिप कृष्णा इन द विलेज. ग्रामे रामा कृष्ण अर्चति. रामा वर्शिप. राम पूजा करता है कृष्णा का गांव में. ग्रामे राम कृष्ण अर्चति. राम कृष्ण की पूजा करता है गांव में, ग्राम में. द्वीपे सिंह गर्जति. द लाइन रोर्स इन द आइलैंड. द्वीपे सिंह गर्जति. द लाइन रोर्स इन द आइलैंड. द्वीप में शेर गरजता है. द्वीपे सिंह गर्जती. थैंक यू. धन्यवाद. Sufficient for today. All the best. Here we will learn about the nominative dual. nominative dual means you will get the meaning in two. Ramo, when you will see Ramo, that is the meaning in two. Ramo pathata, two Ramas read. Yani Rama means one Ram, Ramo means do Ram, yani two Ram reads. Ramo pathati, do Ram पढ़ता है. Krishna namata, to Krishna salute. Bala vasata, to boys 12, दो लड़के रहते हैं. Accusative dual, Rama gajo vashyati, pashyati, Rama sees two elephants. Rama gajo, here you will see the gajo means दो हाथी, gaja means एक हाथी. Rama gajo pashyati, Ram sees two elephants. Gaja hirino स्मरति, gaja hirino, here you shall find hirino. Gaja, the elephant, remember the two deer. Smriti means याद करना, remember. Gaja harino smrati. And ablative dual, here you will find Rama ग्रामाभ्याम आगच्छति. Rama ग्रामाभ्याम आगच्छति means Rama comes from two village. Rama comes from ग्राम्याम मतलब two village. Rama ग्राम्याम आगच्छति, Ram comes from two village. वानरा बिडालाम लाभ्याम फलम हरति. वानरा बिलाडाभ्याम फला हरति means means यहाँ पे ये है कि बिलाडाम फलति. बुद्ध आसनाम उत्थष्टि. A scholar rises from two seats. इसको उत्थष्टि asnamyam means from two seat, two asanas. And here you will see genitive dual. Sevakoya grihe phalam bhavati. There is fruit in the house of two servants. Sevakoya, here sevakoya means two. Sevakoya grihe phalam bhavati. There is fruit in the house of two servants. दो नौकर के घर में फल है. हरिनयो आश्रम में बिडाला वसति. Cat is dwelling in the hermitage of two deer. हरिनयो two deer. आश्रम में बिडाला वसति. Cat, बिडाल means cat. बिल्ली दो हिरणों के घर में रहती है. वाल्यो गृह हरिना भवति. There is a deer in the house of two boys. Balyo means two boys. Grihe harina bhavati. There is a deer in the house of two boys. दो लड़कों के घर में एक हिरन है. And आश्रमयो हरिना भवन्ति. There are deers in two hermitage. Here आश्रमयो means two ashram. Thank you, धन्यवाद. Hello, स्वागतम. Here is a person dual. You have seen the dual meaning. Rama pathata means Rama, that is means two Ram reads. Buddho gachata, two scholar goes, two scholars go. Putra vadata, two sons speak. Sevako bahata, two servants carry away. Pantho namata, two travelers salute. And Bala tirishtanti, boy stand. Bala tirishtanti. person plural. Bala तिष्ठन्ति. The boys stand plural. Bala gaja charanti. Elephants move. Jambuka davanti. Jackals run. Putra namanti. Sun salute. Duta yachanti. Messengers give. And one person singular. Here is some bhavami means am, हूँ. खदामी means eat, खाता हूँ. पश्यामी see, देखना. वदामी speak. जिगरामी smell, सूंघना. तरामी cross. गच्छामी means give, देना. दहामी burn, जलना. बुधामी knowledge, बुद्धि से knowledge, ज्ञान. नयामी lead, नयामी means lead. And स्मरामा remember, plural. हसामा laugh, शंसामा praise, निंदामा abuse, वांछामा wish, रक्षामा protect, आर्चामा worship, करसामा plow, करीडामा play, खादामा eat. Person singular. Archasi means worship. Namasi salute. Bhramsi roam. Varajsi go. This is second person singular. Vachasi wish. Khadasi eat. Tishtasi stand. Tirsi cross. Hasasi laugh. Vadsi speak. Then person, second person plural. Khadat eat. Shansat praise. Trishtat stand. Vadat speak. Dhat burn. Pashyat see. Dhavat run. Rakshat protect. Nindat censure. Karsat plow. And don't bother with this. When you will speak in sentence, everything would be clear. Dhanyavad. Swagatam, swagatam, swagatam. Here is some sentences for speaking in Sanskrit. Atithi gacchati. Guest goes. Singular. Rishi Hari Namati. They say salute Hari. Kavi Manina Tishtati. The poet stand with gems. Yati Agre Balim Yachati. The ascetic gives oblation to the fire. Kavya Kapin Asmati. Kavya Kapin Sasamanti. Poets praise the monkey. Gyata Rashin Haranti. Kinsmen take away the hits. Arya Nithin Nayanti. Enemies lead the treasure. Panya Mani Bhi Patanti. Panya Mani Bhi Patanti. The hand fall with gems. And you just practice this. And here we will look the masculine noun guru ending in u. Just look. Guru singular, guru dual, guruva plural. Guru, guru, guruva. Guram, guru, guruna. Guruna, gurumbhyam, gurubhi. And don't be bothered on this. We just look the sentences. I am looking for some sentences that would be beneficial for speaking Sanskrit, and here is plural and singular only. I don't want for you to be bothered in such things. We just understand the sentence here. मम पिता पत्रम अलिखित अतः ग्राम गच्छामि. My father wrote a letter. Mum pita. Mum means my. Pita, father. Patram alikhit. My father wrote a letter. Atah gramam gacchami. Therefore, atah means therefore, gramam, I go to the village. Gacchami, मैं घर जा रहा हूँ, मैं जाता हूँ. मेरे पिता ने खत लिखा है, पत्र लिखा है, इसलिए मैं घर जा रहा हूँ. स एवं अवदत्. He said thus. स एवं अवदत्. He said that. Itham tasmai kathya. Itham, tell him in this manner. Itham tasmai kathya. Tell him in this manner. इस बारे में आप कहिए. मुखम chandra iva bhati. Mukham chandra iva bhati. The face shine like the moon. Mukham means चेहरा. चंद्र चांद की तरह. भवा इव भाति चमकता है, चांद की तरह चमकता है. पार्थ एव धनुधा. अर्जुना alone is the archer. पार्थ एव धनुर्धरा. अर्जुन अकेला ही धनुर्धर है. सह धनवाना किंतु पुत्रहीना. He is rich but has no issues. ततः रामवनम अगच्छत. Then Rama went to the forest. Then Rama went to forest. Dhanyavadam. Swagatam. In this practice set, we will see some sentences. Here there is some sentences, and you will see the meaning of the sentences in English. Tatha kathitva sah virarama. After telling thus, he kept quiet. Tatha kathitva sah virarama. Sah virarama, kept quiet. After telling, tatha kathitva. After telling, thus he kept quiet. Punah tavam dakshyami. I shall see you again. Punah tavam. फिर से दोबारा. tavam dakshyami. मैं आपको देखूंगा, मिलूंगा. I shall see you again. पूरा नला नाम राजा अभवत. पूरा नला नाम राजा अभवत. In olden days there was a king called Nala. Pura olden time there was a king that is called Nama. राजा अभवत मतलब हुआ करता था. धनम विद्यम व अर्जय. धनम विद्वाम व अर्जया. Acquire money or education. Acquire money. Dhanam विद्वाम व अर्जय. Dhan, acquire money or education. Va means or. Arjay, acquire. Vritha kalam ma yape. Vritha kalam ma yape. Don't waste time. Vritha kalam ma yape. Kal means time. वृथा कालम माया पे, डोंट वेस्ट टाइम। सुथु पाठम पठासी, सुथु पाठम पठासी, यू रीड द लेसन वेल। सुथु पाठम पठासी, यू रीड द लेसन वेल। सुठु, सुष्ठु पाठम पठासी, सुष्ठु पाठम पठासी। इहा लोके सुखम नास्ति, देर इज नो हैप्पीनेस इन दिस वर्ल्ड। इहा लोके, इस वर्ल्ड में, सुखम नास्ति, नास्ति मीन्स नॉट, देर इज नॉट। इहा लोके, एंड हेयर इज अत्र तवम अगच्छा, अत्र तवम अगच्छा, यू कम हियर। अत्र तवम, तुम, अत्र तवम आगच्छा, आओ। हेयर, अत्र हेयर, तुम यहाँ आओ। तत्र अहम गच्छामि, देयर आई विल गो। तत्र अहम गच्छामि, गच्छामि मीन्स विल गो। तत्र अहम, तत्र मीन्स देयर, देयर आई विल गो। एंड सह कुत्र पठति, वेयर डज ही रीड, वो कहाँ पढ़ता है। सह कुत्र पठति, सह कुत्र पठति, सह वेयर डज ही रीड। धन्यवाद। Here we will learn some more practice set. स कुत्र पठति, वेयर डज ही रीड। सर्वत्र वर्षा पतन्ति, सर्वत्र वर्षा पतन्ति, द रेन फॉल एवरीवेयर, सर्वत्र एवरीवेयर वर्षा पतन्ति। तवम बहुत्र दृष्टः, यू हैव सीन इन सेवरल प्लेसेस। तवम बहुत्र, सेवरल, बहुत सारी जगह पे, यू विल सी। तवम बहुत्र दृष्टः, यू विल सी इन सेवरल प्लेसेस। ते एकत्र सम्मिलितः, दे मेट एट वन प्लेस। ते एकत्र, एकत्र मीन्स मेट, ते एकत्र सम्मिलितः। यत्र धेनु गच्छति तत्र वत्सः अनुसरति, यत्र धेनु गच्छति तत्र वत्सः अनुसरति। Wherever the cow goes, the calf follow. यत्र धेनु गच्छति, जहाँ कहीं भी गाय जाती है, तत्र वत्सः, वहाँ वहाँ उसका बच्चा फॉलो करता है, अनुसरति। एंड some sentences are there. अन्यत्र, अन्यत्र तम अहम अपश्यम, अन्यत्र तम अहम अपश्यम, आई सॉ हिम इन अनदर प्लेस। अन्यत्र मतलब अनदर, तम मतलब तुम्हें, अहम आई सॉ हिम, अपश्यम अनदर प्लेस। अमुत्र शाश्वतम सुखम भवति, अमुत्र शाश्वतम सुखम भवति, देयर विल बी इटर्नल हैप्पीनेस इन द हेवन। अमुत्र शाश्वत सुखम, सुखम भवति, शाश्वत। अमुत्र, देयर विल बी इटर्नल, इटर्नल, शाश्वत सुखम भवति, शाश्वत मतलब इटर्नल। एकत्र पुस्तकम अस्ति, एकत्र पुस्तकम, द बुक इज एट वन प्लेस। एकत्र पुस्तकम अस्ति, अस्ति मीन्स है, इज। एकत्र पुस्तकम अस्ति, बुक इज एट वन प्लेस। एकत्र वन प्लेस, पुस्तक अस्ति वन प्लेस। अन्यत्र बालः स्वपीति, अन्यत्र बालः स्वपीति, द बॉय स्लीप्स एट अनदर प्लेस। अन्यत्र बालः स्वपीति, अन्यत्र प्लेस, अनदर प्लेस। बालक, बॉय स्लीप्स इन अनदर प्लेस। धन्यवाद। Practice more and more. Swagatam, Swagatam. Here is some conversation about limbs. There is some conversation. We can look this and we may practice. Prashn. In the kiss, in the kim, in the kim. What is this? In the kim. idam mam shariram. This is my body. Mam means my. Shariram. Idam mam shariram. Uttaram. Prashna. Indam kim. Indam kim. What is this? Indam kim. Indam mam shariram. This is my body. Sharira. Sharirasya bhaga ke. Prashna. What are the parts of the body? Sharirasya bhaga shira, kantha, ura, udra, hasta, pada, agla, ityadi. The part of the body are head, neck, chest, belly, hand, feet, fingers. And tava, shri, si, kim vartate. What are the part in your head? Tava, shirsi, kim vartate. Mam shirsi dve netre dvo karno eka nasika mukh jihva danta evama vartantate. There are 2 eyes, 2 ears, the nose, the mouth, a tongue, teeth, etc. in the head. Tavam netramya kim krosi. What do you do with your eyes? What do you do with your eyes? Aham netramyam pashyami. I see with my eyes. Aham netramyam pashyami. Prashnam. Tavam karnamyam kim krosi. What do you do with your ears? Tavam karnamyam kim krosi. Aham karnamyam shrinomi. I hear with my ears. Tom nasikya kim kropi. What do you do with your nose? Nasikya, nose. Kim kropi. Aham nasikya jigrami. I smell with my nose. And tavam vadnen kim kropi. Tavam vadnen kim kropi. What do you do with your mouth? Aham vadnem annam bhakshayami. I eat with my mouth. Tom jihvaya kim krosi. What do you do with your tongue? Aham jimvaya rasyami. I taste with my tongue. Tom dante kim krosi. What do you do with your teeth? Aham dante charvayami. I chew with my teeth. And this is sufficient for this today. Thank you. Welcome. You all are most welcome. Here we will see some more sentences. Now, Tvam padyabhyam ki krosi. What do you do with your feet? Aham padyamyam charami. I move with my feet. Charami means move. Padyamyam means feet. Aham मतलब मैं, I. Tvam hastabhyam ki krosi. What do you do with your hands? Aham hastabhyam vastuni grihami. I take things with my hand. Hastamyam means hand. Vastuni मतलब vastu, things. Grihami means take. Tvam adgulibhi ki krosi. What do you do with your fingers? Adgulubhi, fingers. Aham adgulubhi ganyami. I count with my fingers. Kantha kutra vartate. Where is the neck? Kantha kutra vartate. Kuntha shirsa adhastat vartate. The neck is below the head. Kuntha shirsa adhastat vartate. Kunthast Adhastat kim kim vartate, what are there below the neck? Kunthas adhastat ura udram hastau padam ete vartantate. Below the neck there are chest, belly, hands and feet. And playground. Anyam, here is a playground. We will see. No, in the next video we will see about the playground. Thank you. Here is the topic playground. Kadidadgam, kadidganam, kadidganam. Idam kim. What is this? Idam. Here, idam. What is this? Idam kim. Kim and what? Idam. This. What is this? Idam karida gadnam. This is playground. Idam karida gadnam. Karida gadam balah ki kurvanti. What do you do? What do the boys do in the playground? Karida radganam bala kim कुर्वन्ति क्या करते हैं करीडाट गणेम बाला करीडन्ति the boys plays in the playground bala katham kadidanti how do the boys play bala boys plural katham kadidanti bala kanduke kadidanti the boys play with balls Bala, boys play with kanduke kadidanti. Sah bala ki kroti. What is that boy doing? Sah bala kim kroti. What is that boy doing? Sah bala vakradanden kandukam tadiyati. Kandukam tadiyati. The boy is striking the ball with the bat. And practice more and more, that will make you easy. Anya kim kroti. What is the other boy doing? Anya kim kroti. Anya swadanden kandukam partirunanthi. The other boy stopped the ball with his bat. Kandukam parti रुद्धि प्रतिरुद्ध मतलब स्टॉप ओहो इद्रानीम किम आसीत ओह व्हाट हैज हैपेंड नाउ इद्रानीम किम आसीत कुंदका उभौ अपि वच्छित्वा धाविता द बॉल हैज एस्केप्ड फ्रॉम बोथ ऑफ देम एंड रन अयम अपरः कुतो धावति Why the other boy is running? Ayam aprah kutau dhavati. Ayam kundukum gritu dhavati. He is running to catch the ball. Kutah sarve bala kartala kurvanti. Why all the boys are making claps? Ayamapi kundakam agrihitva patati. Ata Sarve hasanti kartalam kurvanti cha. The boy also did not catch the ball and fell down, so all are laughing and clapping. Thank you. Makes more practice. Here is a topic sun, and we will talk about the sun in Sanskrit Surya. Tata Bal Surya Kashyam Dishi Udeti. Tata, father, to sun. In which direction the sun rises? Surya Kasyam Dishi Udeti. Kashyam Dishi Udeti. Suta, sun. Suta means sun. Tata, Tat, father. Surya Pracham Dishi Udeti. The sun rises in the eastern condition. Pracham Dishi Udeti. Tata means father. Sah Kashyam Dishi Astam Gachati. In which direction this sets? Kashyam Dishi Astam Gachati. Suta, sun. Sah Particham Dishi Ast Gachati, Astam Gachati. He sets out in the western direction. Tata, father. Suryan Asmakam Kim Paryojanam. What is the use of the sun to us? Suryan Asmakam Kim Paryojanam. Suta, sun. Surya Asmakam Parkasham. Usncha yachati. The sun gives us light and heat. Surj Tata. Tata means father. Surj Parkashen Kim Bhavati. What is the effect of the sun's light? Suta, sun. Surj Parkashen Andhakara Nashyati. The darkness disappears by the sun's light. And next one is Tata, father. Suryasya Usna Kim Kroti. What does the heat of the sun do? Suta, sun. Suryasya Usnam Usnaha Paranina Rakshati. The sun's heat protects the living beings. Kim Chasurya Usna Kirne Meghanam Janyati. And the sun creates cloud with his hot rays. Tata, father. Surjdem Kutah Jana Pujyanti. Why do people worship the sun? God. Suta, sun. Surya Grahana Adhipa. Apicha Savakirne Lokan Lakshit Ata Jana Tam Pujyanti. The sun is the head of the planet, and also he protects the entire world. Therefore, the people worship the sun, God. Practice makes a man perfect. Thank you. Swagatam, Swagatam in Ramayana. Here we will learn in Ramayana, and we will look some sentences in Ramayana. Ayodhyayam Dashrata Nam Raja Asid. There was a king named Dashrath in Ayodhya. Tasya Tisrah Bharya Asan. He had 3 consorts. Tasya Tisrah. Ta Karmen Kausalya Kaikeyi Sumitra Cha. There were Kaushalya, Kaikeyi and Sumitra. Etasu Bharyasu Chatvara Kumara Ajyanta. 4 sons were born to them. Tesu Parthama Rama Kausalya Putra. Rama, the first among them, was the son of Kaushalya. Dvitiya Bharata Kaikeya Putra. Bharata, the second was the son of Kaikeyi. Tritiya Chaturtha Lakshman Shatrugna Sumitraya Putra. Lakshman and Shatrugna, the third and fourth, were the son of Sumitra. And Rama Pitu Agya Vanam Agachat. By the command of his father, Rama left for the forest. Ten Sah Lakshmana Sita Cha Agachatam. Lakshman and Sita followed him. Ravana nam rakshasa vane Sitam aham rat. A Rakshas, Ravan by name, took away Sita. Aham rat. Sah tam Lanka nagare asthapyat. He kept her at Lanka. Rama kapi rajen sugriven hanumanta cha sank akrot. Rama made friendship with Sugriva, the king of monkey, and Hanuman. Hanumana samudra ullach larkaya Sita apashyat. Hanuman jumped over the sea and saw Sita at Lanka. Vanara samudre setum avadhanan. The monkey built a bridge over the sea. Rama Lanka gatva sarvan rakshasan ravan jaghan. Rama went to Lanka and killed Ravana. Tata sa sitaya sa Ayodhya prap. Then he returned Ayodhya with Sita. Ayodhyam yayam ramasya pattabhiseka abhakt. The coronation of Ram was celebrated at Ayodhya. Thank you. Hello. Swagatam. Here is Bhagavad Katha, the story of Bhagavad. Mathura Nagre Ugrasena iti Raja Asit. There was a king named Ugrasen in the city called Mathura. Tasya Kansa iti putra Devki iti putra putri cha abhav tam. He had a son Kamsa by name and daughter called Devki. Kansa Karura Rakshas Gun Sahitashra. Kamsa was wicked and possessed the quality of demons. Some Bhaginya Viva Vasudeven Sa Akaryat. He celebrated the marriage of his sister with Vasudeva. Madhyamar Grekans Tau Bhaginya Ashtama Garbha Tavam Hanish Yati iti Ashri Rishabda Kansa Ashrutno. Kasma seated the couple in a chariot and he himself drove the chariot. Etat Shrutva Kama Bhaginim Vasudeva Charagre na chippat. Having heard this, Kasma kept both Vasudev and Devaki in prison. Devakya putran jat matran kansa jaghan. Kasma killed the son of Devaki and when they were born. अष्टगर में गर्भे जांत पुत्रम वसुदेव कंस भयात नंदगोप गिरि प्राप्यति स्म. Vasudev, being afraid of Kasma, sent the son of it delivery to the place of Nandagop. Tatra Balaram Krishna avardhatam. There Krishna grew up with Balaram. Kansa tau into Rakshasan Pashyat. The Kasma sent Rakshas to kill both of them. Thank you.